Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add effect in your Instagram story. So first, let's head over to the Instagram app. Then just slide to the right, just click this icon. And from here, you can choose the photo that you want to add to your story. Say this picture for example. Then next, just click on this effects icon. From here, you can just slide to the right to add effect on your Instagram story. Then press done. Next, we can just share it in our Instagram story. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily add an effect in your Instagram story. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!